Network ya la pisha man.
Makwela Monada. Let's see what.
Sorry, I pushes,
Guys, I just woke up feeling like a mood today, so I just chose to dance. Like, I just wanted to dance. That's all I wanted to do. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Kilapile blind. I need to go to school. Now I'm very tired. Everyone is going to be asking, NKUPI, why are you coming to class so tired? They have no idea what I've been up to. Should I do it again? Should I do it again? Should I do it again? I really could. I really could. Should I do it again? Is it worth watching? Huh? Is it worth watching? Should I do it again? Or should I call it a day and I'll see you the next day, tomorrow? Guys, answer me. If you don't answer me, I wouldn't know what to do. Ariane, comment down. Should I do it again? Mulebren says yes. With the same song or another song? With the same song or another song? I mean, the ball is in your court. Mpengul always water. Mpengul always water. Rena energy I reach from Woolworth's water. Energy I reach from Woolworth's water. We take the energy from here. From here. The energy is coming from here, guys. Kore inyaga lukushishu kimang anyaga nge mufa. Energy itwa mu. Energy I reach from Woolworth's water. Energy itwa mu. Oscar Chava. Oscar Chavo, orega tin roof. Ne? Oscar Chavo. We create more energy hono bin. Again. Agiri, iring kibeting, iring kikuchishen kibeting tree. Wale gabina watch. You grille ice cream from energy from tin roof. Wale gabina watch.